So good morning, friends, and happy Monday morning. My mom and I are ready for our second day of our road trip together, and we are at the Delta again at the Graceland Hotel, and we're having breakfast. And I just noticed my battery is dying again, so I need to get my batteries fixed in this. But there's a buffet up there, so I'll show you guys in just a second the buffet. But this is what I got: a biscuit and gravy, some bacon, eggs, and potatoes, which looks absolutely fantastic. Thank you. Alrighty, so good morning again, guys. My mom and I are about ready to pack up the car. I'm actually going to get the car to bring it back up here so the bellhops can load up our car for us. And then we are going to try to head over to the spot where MLK, Martin Luther King, was shot, and possibly go through the museum there. I'm not exactly sure if it's even open on Mondays. Not exactly sure if it's open at all. But that's the goal, is to go over there. Even if I could just go to the hotel, I'm good with that. And then we are gonna start making our way to St. Louis. And it's a sad thing that there was a shooting here last night right downtown Beale Street. So that was kind of a scary thing. And my mom's like, oh no. Because like crime doesn't happen in their town or whatever, right? But anywho, this was a very, very lovely resort and hotel, which I'm gonna take a picture of it right now from this angle because it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm back. So I took a picture. Anyway, so I'm gonna pull up there and get the car up there for my mom so we can load up our car and get going. Oh, car. Why is my car acting so funky? Don't act funky on me, car. You've done so good these many years and miles. So they're not out there yet, but they're coming along. Let me go ahead and go in front of this guy. Didn't mean to cut him off or be rude, but he was walking a little slower for me. So I'm gonna wait here for my mother, and hopefully we can load up a vehicle very soon. Yeah, I'm gonna go open the trunk. So this is the big grand staircase that they're always talking about that you have to go up and see. Oh yeah, because it is. It's very similar to like the house, except for the, you know, there's a picture of Elvis right here on this side. So it's like a replica of the house.
So it's like narrow.
Well, of course, yeah. So, okay, so this would be like the other half of the hotel, where the half of the hotel is at.
Yeah.
Yeah, how nice. Look at how pretty that chandelier is.
There's probably rooms all the way over
There is, yeah. Yeah, very pretty. Nice. So we made it to the Lorraine Motel. This is where Martin Luther King was assassinated. And they have, like, his room and stuff is upstairs. And I think there was like, you know, you could go in and look at the room or something at one point, or they show the room. I'm not real sure. But anyway, this is the Civil Rights Museum at the Lorraine Hotel. So they turned this hotel into a civil rights museum, which is awesome. But yeah, that's where that wreath is at up there, which I'm going to get closer to. Where that wreath is at, that's where he was shot. That's where he was standing when he was shot. Huh. Look, all these people are here. Isn't that cool? So many people come. It's awesome.
Now there is something written on the wall over there. I took a picture of that, but They're right there above it. So they must be the boarding rooms, or the boarding house where the fire shot came from.
That boarding house, Mom, which is that house, that place back there, is where the shot came from.
Oh. Is that where it came from?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, they had a good view.
So my hair is completely flat. It's lost all of its curls. Like, why did I even bother? And now we are headed to St. Louis, but we just got done looking at the hotel where Martin Luther King was assassinated. That was interesting and sad at the same time. You enjoyed that, Mom?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very
honey,
nice,
it
huh?
was nice.
Yeah, very
It's
nice.
just-
Sad.
See it on TV all the time. You just don't know.
Right. When you come here to see it in person, it's just different. It kind of, you know, yeah, makes you think a little bit, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh well. So now we're off to St. Louis.
Well, it made me think a lot of before I see it on TV.
Oh yeah. I thought we were gonna like hit the pyramid or go over the pyramid right here. Oh no! Arkansas! Yay! You got that right?
Barely, but I got it.
Good.
Flying like a.
Arkansas.
You're flying like a. And put that down. We're going over the bridge. Seriously, that's dumb.
Well, I am in perfect
dangerous.
control. No, it's not. Answer your phone. It's probably Dad.
It is. Hello?
So we stopped in Caruthersville, Missouri. This is a cemetery where my mom has an aunt that she really liked, or loved, I shouldn't say liked, that she really like adored. So my mom is here trying to find it so she could put flowers down for her. So she's trying to look. She can't find it. I don't think she found it yet. It's so hard to find like people in a cemetery. It's like finding a needle in a haystack sometimes. My mom. She's trying to find it. I don't think she knows. Like, oh, you found it? Oh, okay. So she found it. Okay, so let's go over there and see. Well, you would have died.
I would have been joining her.
Oh, at least, oh good, there's foam in it.
Yeah.
Oh, good, good, good.
That's probably ones we bought before. I don't really know, to be
Yeah.
honest with you.
Stick it way down in there, Ma. Can you?
Can't.
Oh,
I can't go any further.
oh, okay.
It needs to be pushed in there, though.
Yeah, I'll try.
If I had some.
Well, I wish they'd brush it all off like they have grass all over.
I know, I should.
Yeah, there you go. Good job, Ma.
These are probably the same ones I put on here 5 years ago.
Well, it looks like it.
Well, Tommy Jean, I know they would come, but like I said, they live in Jackson, Tennessee, so.
Oh, so they were married June 23rd, 1934. Hmm.
And then he died and she remarried a few years.
Oh, I see. That's
See,
why.
That's why she's got, her married name was Parkinson, and then she married Uncle Rock, which was Thurman.
Right.
And for some reason, when James was born, we'd call him
There, I know.
James Wesley Thurman.
I know.
Ashley. These things sink.
Yeah.
Sink, sink, sink. Sink into the ground. I can't push that in there.
That's okay. I'll try. I'm going to try to get a picture, so.
Yeah, this is your heritage. I mean, your
My
people.
heritage, my people.
Well, it is.
Alrighty, so my mother and I have made it to Sykeston. It says Angie. Angie was here. No, it just says Angie. in 04. Anyway, so my mom and I made it to Sikeston, Missouri, and we are going to be eating at Lamberts Throwed'Roll. My mother's first time here, my second time here. I love this place and I'm so excited that I get to bring my mom here. It's really cool, Mom. It's a really cool place. So I think I'll go the right. They got big feet. This is the menu.
Yeah. Right over. Right.
Oh yeah, I think we're gonna do that. Have we started yet? That's what we're gonna do. Is that so? Yeah. So anyway, this is all the sides that they bring out. All of the sides. And then this is how they bring it out to you. On these, you just peel off these paper towels and lay your stuff on the paper. Isn't that cool?
Okay, they just put it on there.
So we got these big, huge, ginormous cups that you don't get to take with you. I wouldn't want it anyway.
Oh, no.
I wouldn't want to take this with me. I'd end up throwing it away because it's just too big of a cup for me. But anyway, we've already got some okra. I've already got some okra, ate it. But this is what the place looks like inside. I got like go-karts and stuff up there. Oh, is it? Go-karts up there, go-kart up there, a little tractor up there. All this stuff around here. Really cool. They got like a train going around too in circles. So throwing a roll. Look. Throwing the rolls. Throw your hand up, Ma. No, I said onion and cucumber. Yeah. So Mom and I are sharing a plate, and it's a $9.99 thing. So you get all these vegetables, and then they bring all your stuff around to you as well that you want extra of. So we got like sweet potatoes and beans and corn and cucumber and onions, and then we got more okra because oh my goodness. Oh, mother, look at that.
I know. Did you get a picture?
I'm gonna.
Okay,
Wow.
they're huge, ain't they?
They are. Oh my goodness. Thank you. I got you. Yes, please. Thank you. Yep, we sure will. Good deal. Thank you. That's plenty, honestly. That is good. Thank you. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Hey, you weren't quick enough.
I know, right?
You got here faster. Now they brought us some black-eyed peas to put in there. Those are yummy too. Goodness, look at all this stuff. I mean, Mom and I are probably not even be able to put a dent in this. That's a lot of food, but for 10 bucks for 2 people, that's good. Too, I'm excited about that. So now they brought us out some macaroni and tomatoes. This is usually how I like to eat my macaroni.
Yes,
I
yeah.
love it with like
Yeah.
tomatoes and stuff.
I used to make them raw
This
sometimes.
is so good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's good, Mom. That's real sweet too. Yeah. Yeah, that's real sweet.
They've added sugar to the stuff.
The stuff. Yeah.
Sauce.
Uh-oh, hot roll. Oh, there it goes. Oh, he's got another one coming. Whoa. Oh, he's gonna throw another one. Oh, there it goes. That's right. So if you win the lottery, you gotta share. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're full. Woo. And you know, that's a good price. Mom and I ate for under $20 at Lamberts. So if it's just like the two of you, get that. It's the vegetarian share or pass around plate or whatever for $9.99, and then they bring you all the other sides around. She said that's like the best deal. So we are off to St. Louis now. To St. Louis now. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again.
If that's on there, sing it correctly. So it's pretty.
Oh. So it's pretty.
Well, you got a beautiful voice. Just don't.
On the road again.
No, that's not her beautiful voice.
Oh goodness. Okay, let's go. So full.